Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. If you no longer want to enter your PIN and secret word every time you turn on your computer, or you are simply tired of doing this and know for sure that another person will not turn on your computer, then this video will be interesting for you. Today I will show you how to quickly and easily disable the PIN code and password when entering Windows 11, and also I will show you how to restore the protection of your computer if you want to do it. We click the button, Start, then, Settings, Accounts, and here we click, Sign in Options. In this window we will first turn off the mandatory PIN code request. For this you need to turn off the blue slider. Then click, Here, and select, Never, so that when the computer wakes up from sleep, the PIN code request will not turn on again. To confirm the operation, you need to enter your PIN code here. Now we can remove the PIN, and to do this, click, Remove. To verify your identity here you need to enter your Microsoft account password. Click, OK. We removed the PIN code and now close the settings window. To disable the password request on the lock screen, you can enter a special command, but this method sometimes fails, and therefore I will now show you the official method from Microsoft using a special utility from Microsoft. To do this, open the description of my video. Here click the link to the utility download page. The Microsoft website page has opened, and now click, Here. The utility has downloaded to the computer, and the browser can be closed. Open File Explorer, then open the folder, Downloads, and double-click on the utility archive. Double-click, here, and now you need to click, Extract All. In this window, click, Extract, and double-click, here. Click, Agree, and in the utility window you will need to enter the password for your Microsoft account. Enable. Click, OK. We disabled the password, deleted the PIN code earlier, and to check how this method works, let's restart our computers. My computer rebooted, and without entering the PIN code and password, I quickly entered Windows. Hope everything went well for you too. If you need to re-enable the protection of your computer, you can also do this using the utility from Microsoft, but you can also recover the password request in another way, and now I will show you how to do it. Press the keys on your keyboard, Win, R, simultaneously. Enter this command in the window. Click, OK. To resume the password request on the lock screen, check the box here. Then click, Apply. OK. And after these steps, to create a PIN code, open, Settings, then, Accounts, Sign in Options. Click on the tab, PIN, and click, Set Up. Next, in this window, you need to create a PIN code. OK. Now let's check what we just did and reboot the computer. Yes, this method worked 100%. And so, today you learned how to disable the PIN code and password of your Microsoft account, and also learned how to put your computer under protection again. Thank you very much for watching my video. Good luck.